You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Okay, so these are the devices that were back in the day licensed by Sega. And they have released so many of these freaking things. So let's check out where we're going to open it up. Opening it up is always like a challenge. And leaving the box in good condition. Come on. Yep, number 2. Ooh. It's very fragile, like a very thin cardboard. Let's slide it out. What I find interesting that we're going to get the 6-button layout, but it is more like the old model with 6 buttons. Strange. Okay, the box itself, again, is a very thin cardboard with a piece of plastic, but we'll leave it in good condition. The first thing I'm noticing, like, it feels a little bit bulky. And the reason why, because of course there is a battery compartment in here. When you're opening up, adding the batteries, it will even give some extra weight to it. And to be honest, I think that's not a bad thing at all. So let's open it up. Ugh, very thin plastic. No chemical plastic. Alright, here we're going to get some information. That is interesting. So here we can find like the company that makes these products. And here you can say production time in 2011. Holy crap. So this device is already 10 years old. And then of course the address. I think they will not make it. They're not making it anymore. This is just really old stock. The D-pad. It's more like the floating D-pad. Feels nice. Menu buttons, start, A, B, and the C, and all the other buttons. An LED over here for indication when the system is powered on. But let's take a close look at it, because let's add some batteries and let's play some games. It's time for Fake Power! Sega Fake Blast Processing Power, yeah! Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing is that this very nice, thick quality cable, very long. 2 plugs, not a big fan of it, because we're going to get mono sound. Didn't mention it before, but we're going to get the on and off switch over here. Let's turn it on. The LED starts turning into the red color, so this means it powered on. Okay, so damn, it is really a beefcake now with the batteries inside. Let's turn the monitor and let's play some games. But let's take a close look at the game list. And they mentioned like we're having a lot of levels to play. Yeah, now I know why they said it, because every single game has more like this instant cheat mode. They can go to a certain level. It's quite interesting here. You can see we're going to a city, ruin, cave, swamp, arrow flash. I think all the games have like this option. Alright. The fire core menu. It's a little bit bulky and basic. So let's start out some games. Let's start with Alien Storm. Alright, arcade mode. It's had like the original aspect ratio, but the monitor itself forces it back into the widescreen, of course. Oh crap, of course I'm pressing the wrong button. I never played this game back in the day, like on my original Mega Drive. I find it such a weird game. Kill them all. Street Race 2 will be my favorite beat 'em up for the Mega Drive. This sounds completely different. Okay, let's go into the final stage, or I'm guessing this is the final stage, with the cheat mode. By the way, I've never played this freaking stage. Oh man, seriously? I need beefcake power! I'm going to get my ass kicked. Yeah, that's much better. But you can hear the sound is completely off. The signal output is not bad at all. Okay, let's go. And if you play the original game, you can just hear it. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Okay, let's listen to the soundtrack. Oh man. It would be cool if you have like an HDMI solution for these things with better emulation. Oh. Oh, my ears. Oh my God. How can this freaking music be butchered? Well, I did notice like all the sound effects maybe are messed up, but they are here. I have heard myself some shitty different clone systems in my life, but some are so horrible mono sound that they're not even letting you hear the sound effects. Oh, I just wanted to hear another song. This is bad. The sonic horrible sound. My ears are bleeding because I can't take it anymore. Decent product. And the reason why, because this controller plays amazing. Seriously, like it sounds really cheap, but the D-pad is responsive. I love the speed of the game. Oh, I messed it up again. It's a sound. Ah. Alright guys, so this is what you're going to get. They're still selling the old stuff, and I would not be surprised when it's out of stock that you will never see it again. Comes even with some extra warnings. You can see like a quick overview. Didn't show you before. Oh yeah, I guess they did a very nice job explaining all of the games. But in overall, it's a really cheap product, and it's back in the day from when Ant Games made a lot of these crappy products. I'm very happy they're not doing it anymore, because it was like a shame. They clarified their name with, let's say, the new products, the arcade machines and stuff like that. It's a fun collectible, but playing actually games like this, in my opinion, it's not worth it. Main reason is like, it needs to be sounding and playing like the original deal. They did a very nice job with the quality of the controls. I do like it. I like it a lot. So if it was some, let's say, maybe HDMI functionalities, or at least like good AV out in combination with some good audio emulation, this would be like a super cool device to get. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell. I will try to put this freaking thing back in the box. You hit that subscribe button. That bell is very important so you get notified for upcoming videos. And I will see you in the next video. Yeah, it's back in. Oh, see, this thing is already loose here. Oh man, oh man.